The crypto markets are flying right now, guys, and Turbo is not going to be left behind. I promise you guys, this token is going to be one of the best meme coin plays that you could get into for 2025 for literally life-changing gains. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. We cover Turbo every single day on this channel, so that is one of the biggest reasons why you should subscribe, because listen, when you're feeling down, when you feel like no one should be talking about Turbo, I'm here. I'm talking about Turbo. So subscribe, hit the bell notification, like this video so it gets to more and more people. Guys, you recently just hit 6K subs. So I want to say thank you so much. I genuinely didn't think I would ever be here. And it's only by God's grace and by your guys' support. Help me get to 10K before the end of the year, guys. I would really appreciate it. And listen, a lot of people used to ask me when I covered Turbo daily, bro, why are you making videos on Turbo? It's dead, it's not moving. Well, look, I bet you're happy I'm making videos now because it's pumping. Let's hop into today's video. So Turbo, you know, the beautiful, absolute legendary meme coin, holding above 400 million market cap, which is obviously a very nice sign to see. Chart, one of the best. Tokenomics, one of the best. Actually, I just saw Telegram posted this price target of Turbo. How high can it go? That's interesting. I'd love to take a look at that. Not Telegram, Telegon. Okay, let's take a look. Because we all know when these blogs post their price predictions, it's all over the place. So let's take a look, okay? The maximum price of Turbo coin can be around 2046 in 2024. What? The maximum, when did this article come out? April 23rd, 2024. Absolutely love that. Okay, Turbo coin can reach the maximum price level of 207 in 2025. The average price of Turbo can reach around 0.083 in 2030. If you're looking for the Turbo coin price prediction or finding the potential of the Turbo token, this analysis can be helpful for you. Anyways, guys. Yeah, so Turbo token, absolutely amazing meme coin, right? Tokenomics, great. Memecoin, docs dev, great history behind, you know, the startup obviously used ChatGPT 4 with a budget of 69 bucks. Now we're valued at $400 million market cap. What an insane return on investment. Now listen, guys, we're basically almost creeping back up to all-time highs, as you guys can see here, right? 209, almost at that penny mark, guys. We're more than 50% of the way there. Listen, if you guys were one of those people that were buying when I was yelling, screaming, saying this is an amazing opportunity, guys, I was literally verbatim saying, start a side hustle, sell things you don't need, you know, cut off expenses that you don't need, cancel subscriptions. And I was telling you guys to put some money into these markets. If you were dollar cost averaging in during these times, you're probably up a significant amount. Now listen, look at this beautiful chart here. The demand area, which is basically just a thicker support, held really nicely, guys. You can see here, bounced off of that 0.003 line, and now we're back all the way up. Listen, there wasn't even any resistance here, just straight on green candles. After we broke over 205, came back down to test it, which is a bullish sign because we needed to solidify a demand area, and boom, a support demand, same thing. And boom, we solidified it over here, and now we're racing back up to the upside. Listen, guys, we are like 4 days away from October, and you guys know historically, October is supposed to be a month of crazy returns. So let me know down below where you think Turbo is going to go just in October alone. I feel like towards the latter half of October, we could even be pushing up to all-time highs yet again. That is something that I am very bullish on. Listen, from here to all-time highs, you're looking at a 50% gain. Guys, if you were literally buying in at these prices, you would have made 178% gain to the upside, and even to right now, basically almost 100% gain, basically doubled your money, guys, if you were just buying in the lows. When you want to buy, or sorry, when you buy when no one else is buying, that is how you make money. You need to buy when no one else wants to buy. You need to buy when you don't even want to buy, okay? And you need to sell when you don't want to sell. When you start screenshotting your portfolio, trust me, that is exactly what I did in 2021. I was screenshotting my portfolio because me and my friend, super into crypto at the time, we were screenshotting portfolios and we're just like, bro, it's going crazy, it's going crazy. In hindsight, should have gotten out the markets at that time. listen guys, there's going to be a day when that comes, and I promise you I'm going to be covering the markets at that time, because I don't want you guys to make some of the same mistakes that I made. Now that's basically what this channel is here for, to make educated and investors that do their due diligence, right? It's not just about finding the next best play. It's about how can you as an investor go out alone to do that as well. How can you make sure you not only make gains but also keep it, right? That's the main goal of this channel. And to be God-fearing investors at the end of the day, because I truly believe God has not called us to be broke, okay? God just wants us to be able to manage the money wisely. If you're not able to manage the money, then you are foolish, right? At the end of the day, none of these are our money. It's not our money. It's all vanity. They are all going to disappear. We're simply, right, if we are God-fearing men and women, God is entrusting us with managing, with stewarding the wealth that he is going to provide us with. So if you're someone that's not trustworthy in the eyes of God, just know that that breakthrough financially will not come for you, right? Because money just magnifies the type of person that you are. Turbo is the first AI generated meme coin. You guys already know this, the whole spiel. I would recommend you guys go drop them a follow on Twitter if you haven't already. If it's a coin that's on your watch list, or if you already hold a bag of it, listen, I don't know why you wouldn't be on Twitter and following them already. Turbo will be melting faces very soon. You guys can see here all the way up to 3 pennies. Okay, 3 pennies, 3 cents. This thing has a 559% gain to go. 3 pennies is just scratching the tip of the iceberg, guys. This could go a lot higher than that. My personal target for this bull run is 10 cents. I believe it could go higher, but for me, that is where my comfort zone is. I'm more of a risk-averse investor. I'm a more conservative investor, and I don't go out too full degenerate. And it also depends when you got into the markets, right? If you've made substantial gains, if it gets to 10 cents, then there's no point holding for longer. Turbo price is consolidating below the 1.23 fib. A break above the level could send the price to the ideal target for wave 3, which is the 1.38. which is 0.007, which was the price prediction for 2025 that blog gave us. The foundations of Turbo are already etched in Moonstone. After this bull run, everyone will be asking what the next Turbo token will be. Don't fade it. Join the Turbo revolution before October hits. Faces will be melted in the jet stream of Turbo's historic runs. Definitely agree, guys. Turbo is going to be one for the history books. I believe that for this bull cycle, it is going to be a mascot. For this cycle, it is going to be a household name. For this cycle, Turbo is going to be a token that a lot of people do talk about. Now, at the end of the day, fellas, remember, I keep saying fellas, ladies and gentlemen, like I know you guys are both watching. If if anything of this video comes out as financial advice, I promise you it's not. I'm just a silly person on YouTube that talks about meme coins that I like, and at the end of the day, these videos are for entertainment and education only. So if you're entertained by it, if you laughed, if you think I'm ugly and you laughed at it, that's great. I did my job. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. Listen, I post 3 times a day. Your boy grinds. Okay, listen, I still work a job, and the goal is by the end of this bull run to be financially free, right? So that I could, make Turbo videos and not have to work a job. Help me out on my grind there, guys. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless you guys and peace out.